बेटे बेसिकली आई एम द पर्सन जो जैसे व्हेन आई हमारा टाइम वो है आई एम 65.
Something that it's just something in the passing, then I would call it engagement. See, this
अगर
could be
आप
entertaining.
do you think this is actually very entertaining?
अगर
इधर आओ. What do you think about the internet?
Diverse, incel, pretty much that, and perception.
It's a necessary evil, I feel.
She tell you something.
What do you like about it?
Free education, particularly Alex Hormozi for business.
I think it's a lovely place.
आपको लगता है लाइसेंस होना चाहिए इंटरनेट के लिए? जैसे गाड़ी का होता है.
No, not really.
Like for a
That's
license.
possible though. That's quite
That's
utopian.
really, yeah, that's exactly.
And the beggar who was here was accepting Paytm for begging.
Yeah,
So,
that's insane.
right?
Bizarre.
And-
Dystopian.
Now, how would you do it without the internet? The country is growing because of the whole network.
Okay.
That's rubbish content, to be very
it-
No, but
honest.
that depends on the content you consume, and
Yeah.
and you will realize majority of the people, the content they consume is wedding videos.
लेकिन हाँ वही वाली बात है कि बताना कि भाई ये आग है ना, ये जलाएगी कितना और ये कितनी रोशनी देगी, ये अंतर जब समझ में आ जाता है तो
ख्याल है इंटरनेट अब कुछ नेसेसरी हो गया है.
नहीं, वो तो पहले ही बात हो गई.
Again, India has become a literate country in the sense that we have 70% of people who can read, right? But I don't think people have the capacity to think.
मतलब वो लोग एकदम से ऐसे इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं कि वो इंट्रोवर्ट पे इंट्रोवर्ट हो रहे हैं. कोई अकॉर्डिंग टू यू क्या चीज़ होना चाहिए?
यार मेरे हिसाब से तो शिट थैंक यू. यार मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी पावरफुल चीज़ है. मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा रेगुलेट होना चाहिए, बट ऑब्वियसली बहुत लोगों की रोज़ी चलती है. मैं दूर हो रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये सेंसिटिव है, फट जाएगा पूरा.
अच्छा.
ये मुझे लगता है कि
गर्लफ्रेंड है आपकी?
मुझे लगता है
तभी इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो आप लोग का.
तभी तो ये कर रहा हूँ.
वरना ना लेने देती हो.
मेरे को लगता है कि इंटरनेट जो है वो एक रिफ्लेक्शन है उन लोगों का जो लोग इंटरनेट इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इंटरनेट हरामी नहीं है, हम लोग हरामी हैं और हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो इसलिए बहुत बार ऑफ ट्रैक चला जाता है. बट इट्स स्टिल आई थिंक अ वेरी पावरफुल थिंग.
तो आपको क्या लगता है जैसे ये इंटरनेट की वजह से, जैसे ये 2-3 ये इन्फ्लुएंसर है, आप एग्जांपल ले लो, एलविश यादव वगैरह हो गए, इनकी आप एलविश आर्मी से हो क्या?
पॉज अभी गेस करो यहाँ अभी इधर आगे क्या होने वाला है. गेस. क्या? एनीवेज, अगर तुम एक पत्थर के नीचे नहीं रहते हो तो तुम्हें पता होगा कि इंडियंस को बहुत गालियां पड़ती है. मतलब गालियां तो सबको पड़ती हैं, बट स्पेसिफिकली इंटरनेट पे इंडियंस को बहुत ज़्यादा हेट मिलती है. ये कह रहा हूँ मैं. उसमें से कुछ हम डिज़र्व करते हैं और उसमें से कुछ हम डिज़र्व नहीं भी करते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आसपास के लोगों से पूछते हैं कि हाय हेलो, आप क्या सोचते हैं इंटरनेट के बारे में, आपके क्या विचार हैं, हाउ डू यू व्यू इट, क्या है इंटरनेट, क्या आपका ओपिनियन मेरे ओपिनियन जितना ही चूतिया है? गुलजार. Probably not a very well thought idea.
A few moments later.
तो आपको क्या लगता है जैसे ये इंटरनेट की वजह से, जैसे ये 2-3 ये इन्फ्लुएंसर है, आप एग्जांपल ले लो, एलविश यादव वगैरह हो गए, इनकी आप एलविश आर्मी से हो क्या? इनकी एलविश आर्मी है, लोगों को मतलब आजकल ये इतना फैल रहा है इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे, तो ये क्या सब ये चीज़ें क्या है, मतलब ये होना चाहिए?
मेरे को लगता है ये इट्स एग्जैक्टली अबाउट दैट कि जब कुछ नेगेटिव देखते हैं ना, कुछ मॉब मेंटालिटी, कुछ मॉन्के शेट हो रहा है मेरे आंखों के सामने, तो ऐसा लगता है कि वाओ कुछ अलग है, कुछ क्रेजी है, शायद कुछ असली है, कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है यहाँ पे. तो इसलिए बहुत लोग उससे रिलेट करने लग जाते हैं.
समय रहना.
हाँ, एंड प्लस
नहीं, समय रहना इज गुड आई थिंक. मतलब वो जो लेटेंट शो भी अच्छा था, मतलब
But cult fit is not good.
सो आई थिंक सेंसरशिप ऑन द इंटरनेट, कुछ लोग जैसे हैं वो कोशिश करते हैं कि
मतलब ये थप्पड़ मार दिया, मतलब इस
मैं जो कह
यूथ
रहा हूँ कि कुछ लोगों को लगता है कोई चीज़ है जो एग्जिस्ट कर, चाइल्ड लेबर एग्जिस्ट करता है. अब हम लोग उसके बारे में हंसी मजाक ना करे, बोले हश हश, नहीं होता है भाई, नहीं होता है.
तो क्या वो चीज़ होनी बंद हो जाएगी? नहीं, वो फिर भी रहेगी. Might as well laugh at it. वो चीज़ फिर भी
आई एम
exist करती है.
आस्किंग अबाउट योर व्यू, मतलब एलवी आर्मी
अगर
इज गुड
वो
और
आप नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, जो अगर गुंडागर्दी होती है, अगर उसको कोई भी प्रमोट करता है, मेरे को लगता है वो गलत है. उसके झांसे में बहुत बार लोग इसलिए आ जाते हैं उसके साथ साथ कि आज सही हो रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा होगा. दैट इज़ बिकॉज इंटरनेट पे चीज़ों के कॉन्सिक्वेंस नहीं होते असली लाइफ की तरह.
As I was discussing off the camera
Yeah.
with you, absolutely have mixed feelings about it. Sort of not for it, but it's a necessary evil, I feel.
A lot of people are saying that.
That it is what it is. That is exactly what it is. It gives too much access into your personal life. Too much access. Absolutely unwarranted access. Also, the sort of content it tracks that. I am personally not a person who appreciates that.
What
And
sort of content?
any content, like if you scrolled a reel, if I've just said something out loud and then AI is going to catch that, the algorithm is then going to pick up on that, and then that's the content I'm going to be seeing. Why do you know that?
So targeted marketing is what
I
is
am
you?
not a fan of targeted marketing. 100% not a fan.
Why does
of
it
that.
make you spend too much?
I'm not on Instagram. Pretty much one of the very big reasons I'm not on Instagram, that I just also with internet.
Should everyone have access to it, the
No.
internet? No?
No.
Why do you think so?
Well, because let's say, for example, for me at least, so I started working at the age of 14, right? But at the age of 18, I didn't feel.
How
I
old are
sort
you?
of had I'm 19 right now, I'm turning 20. So at the
Okay.
age of 18, I had a little bit of an imposter syndrome. Actually, a lot of it. Because इंटरनेट में मेरे को बार बार दिख रहा था कि कोई किसी दुनिया के कोने में एक 20-year-old financially independent बंदा है.
Okay.
And I don't know if that's legit or not.
Yeah. You're so overstimulated by the achievements of other
Yeah.
people around the world, and it's
That.
impossible to compete with that. Do you think we have free speech on the internet?
Interesting question.
You think we have free speech on the internet?
In large parts, I do believe that.
Yeah, it's good and bad as well.
We are becoming too free on the internet that people are.
By law, yes, I think. I hope I'm not wrong.
Sort of.
But
yeah.
by morality, no.
In what sense? Can you say more?
For example, amputate, right?
Nope, not
No?
at all.
We don't. Do you think we should?
Absolutely, but actually no. I do not believe that because I know the choices that people are making.
Okay.
It's, for example,
But I mean, of course, all the platforms that you use for free speech are eventually controlled by some form of media company now. But that's a much deeper and like larger conversation.
we want to reach like a wider audience. We want to reach more people, and for different kind of things, right? Even like a conversation, there was like this concept of couch hopping that one point in time. Now you can just talk to anybody you like. It's easy to just slide into a DM, know everything, but I feel like it also makes us lazy.
Everything's getting very automated.
Yeah.
That you don't really have to use your brain space
You don't have
at
to
all.
deal with people. More so.
People have a different identity on it.
I think it's great where people can voice their opinion and talk about what they stand for,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
But it's at the same time, it has become also a platform where people just want to pass frustration,
Okay.
and
It's an outlet.
yes, absolutely, and without actually not adding value and just randomly.
Why do you think people do that?
I think that there is a lot of baggage people carry, and they use a medium, social media, as an escapism, where they can.
Do you think it's because there are no consequences?
I
Probably
think
yes.
Mostly. Yeah.
yes,
It's
absolutely.
because of that. Like they say, especially with the internet, a fool's opinion carries the same weight as an intellectual, right?
Oh yeah.
So like they say, my rubbish opinion that I carry without any knowledge carries the same weightage as yours, and that is a problem, right?
And it could reach anyone and be
Correct.
mimicked on a very large
Correct.
level.
And the kind of society we live in, again, India has become a literate country in the sense that we have 70% of people who can read, write, etc. But I don't think people have the capacity to think, right? Whether what they're hearing it's something right or whether they should entertain it or not.
But also, I don't think people are aware of what they are thinking. It's like people, they're just getting what they should think. People never, yeah, nobody is
When
raw.
internet's there, nobody is raw. Nobody has their own original ideas. Also, you get so much time. Let's just talk about the fact that if I send you something, it's going to be templated enough. The response that you're going to send me is going to be templated enough. It's not going to be a raw response as I would versus how I would be speaking to you one-on-one in person.
Blinkit use करते हैं?
ब्लिंकिट
कभी घर में आता है
सामान नहीं मंगाते, मेरे हस्बैंड मंगवाते हैं।
आपको लगता है उसकी कन्वीनियंस और एफिशिएंसी की वजह से अब लोग घर से कम बाहर निकलते हैं?
बेटे हम लोग नहीं ज़्यादा यूज़ करते, हमारी जनरेशन सिर्फ
हाँ।
इसीलिए कि हम इस बहाने बाहर जाते
बाहर निकलते हैं।
लाइक मुझे झोला उठा के बाज़ार में घूमना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है। एक तो विंडो शॉपिंग होती है और एक बाज़ार में जाके आप 10 तरह की चीज़ें देखते हो, देन यू सेलेक्ट वन। और ब्लिंकिट में तो फिर आपको जो भी दिख रहा है
फॉर इमरजेंसी ब्लिंकिट इज वेरी नेसेसरी।
हाँ, फॉर इमरजेंसी इज वेरी गुड।
उसी वक्त पे आपका आधे घंटे में
और
10
टाइम में
मिनट
है, आप यू आर नॉट वेल,
फटाफट सामान आ
आपकी
जाता है।
तबीयत ठीक नहीं है।
What do you think about 10-minute deliveries?
10-minute deliveries, yes, it's like my go-to. Yeah, but it's sometimes very scary because like they rush to deliver in 10 minutes.
So you're scared for them?
Yeah, I'm scared for them.
आप Blinkit use करते हो?
Yeah, a lot.
How do you think that impacts you as a person?
It saves time.
Definitely.
Saves time.
I use it all the time, by the way.
Yeah, it saves time. However, I feel that it limits the social interaction that families have. For example, before it was more like कि moms बोलती थी चल खाना लेके चलना है market से. You didn't have any choice but to go. But now it's like everything's delivered to your home. People don't even, at times people forget Blinkit, even with dine-in deliveries,
Yeah,
Zomato, people
yeah.
are stopped going out.
Yeah.
Because food is getting delivered to home. घर जाके they're like just chilling.
आजकल के बच्चों में नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, हमारे में बहुत है। लाइक हमारी जनरेशन तो एक दूसरे के साथ कन्वर्सेशनल है, आजकल के बच्चों को तो कन्वर्सेशन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। वो लोग सोसाइटी में बहुत कम मूव करते हैं, दे मी एंड माई फैमिली उसमें हो गया। या
किसी लेडीज आपस में बैठती हैं, बातें
जी,
करती
जी,
हैं,
जी।
कन्वर्सेशन करती हैं, हंसती हैं, बोलती हैं, खाते पीते हैं हम लोग बैठ के साथ में हैं, कुछ भी काम करते हैं, कहीं घूमने जाते हैं तो साथ जाते हैं, पर आजकल बच्चे तो नहीं।
Then talking about the 10-minute delivery, again, we from our comfortable homes and internet connection, it's very easy for us, okay, India is developing, but at the end, it's those delivery guys who are working 12-hour, 14-hour shifts, and they don't get the social security, they don't get any medical benefits. It's just they're slogging. So
but I think there's always a other point, right? Because one with hyper local and all those deliveries, right? I think kind of employment has been generated right now. I'm working in a logistic firm, right? So I know these are the one who call the shots, right? The biggest challenge any logistic company faces is to get the blue collar workers, because one, they have so many options to choose from. Same guy who's working Uber goes for Swiggy or work with Zepto. Right? They hop from one place to another, right? One, that has given them the luxury of working at their own, which is great.
Easy
I
employment.
really doubt it's a luxury. I think
it's not a luxury,
It's a
yeah.
result
It's not a
of
luxury, I
market
think-
forces, right?
I just went to the grocery store that other day. I walked, it was fun. I knew what I wanted, but when I see it on the internet, I have too many options.
Analysis paralysis.
I want everything.
Yeah.
Right? And it's just, now my brain has like this new idea that, okay, this is important, that is important, all of that. But not really. I really just want this limited amount. But what I've been tricked to is, I want everything that I can want, not need.
पहले क्या होता था, कोई भी किसी प्रोफेशन में किसी का भी इन द से यू कैन से कि पागल बना देता था, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट एंड एआई हम अब हर चीज़ की इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं उससे।
आपको सेफ लगता है इंटरनेट?
इंटरनेट वो आपके ऊपर है, सेफ तो है। जैसे आज आप ये जो वीडियो भी बना रहे हो, ये इंटरनेट की हेल्प से ही पब्लिश होगी कहीं ना कहीं, तो ये इंटरनेट की हेल्प से कहीं ना कहीं पब्लिश होगी। तो इंटरनेट मेरे हिसाब से तो सेफ है इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग इट वाइजली। बाकी अपने हिसाब से सब यूज़ करते हैं। अभी इंटरनेट कहीं कहीं यूज़ करता है, पूछो इसे कहाँ यूज़ करता है।
Like just selective natural selection People who don't follow traffic rules, they die on the street. Okay, it was natural selection. People who don't understand the internet got, I don't know, their identity stolen or some shit.
True. So, on that part, I think there has to be some more awareness, consciousness, and knowledge about the apps and the data that you are using, how you are using on a day-to-day basis. But
do you think? So that's what I was saying about accessibility of internet. Like, it's an amenity that's available to everyone in India. जिसके पास घर में चूल्हा भी नहीं है, उसके पास भी phone और internet है. Do you think it would be better if it was treated more like a vehicle? Like we have a driving test, maybe we should have an internet test before a person is provided with access to the internet.
no, not really. If you
Do you think that's
take back 30
biased
years-
because of your line of work?
No, see, even if you look at 30 years ago, when we were standing in the railway queues for reservation and IRCTC was launched, you wanted to go to the cyber cafe, pay like maybe $100 and book a ticket just on a 56 kbps speed.
Yeah, but since not everyone is accustomed to the safety measures that you should be taking into account when you're on the internet, don't you think it should be accessible to less people who are qualified to be on the internet, who
I
are
would say bring
will
in
be
the
safe?
awareness around that. And
That's more
see,
important,
again, Paytm today, if you look at that example, even a small shop owner and so on, the beggar who was here was accepting Paytm for begging.
Yeah.
So
that's insane.
Right?
Bizarre.
And,
Dystopian.
Now, how would you do it without the internet? The country is growing because of the whole network.
Okay.
एक अब आजकल बच्चे यूज़ VPN करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, तो वो उस चीज़ पे एक स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ होना चाहिए कि मतलब इंटरनेट हो.
आपको लगता है लाइसेंस होना चाहिए इंटरनेट के लिए? जैसे गाड़ी का होता है.
लाइसेंस इज़ अ बिग वर्ड. लाइसेंस तो नहीं होना चाहिए, बट हाँ कुछ हमें भी अपने तरफ से रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगानी चाहिए, जैसे जैसे पेरेंट्स को लगानी चाहिए अपने किड्स पे.
I think they have a lot of access. I'll just tell you like a small incident that had happened. So I'd come with two of my friends and we were just again getting some food for one of these kids. And while he was consuming the food, no, it wasn't you. While he was consuming the food, he asked that can I please see YouTube short reels, whatever that's called. What's it called?
YouTube shorts, yeah.
Yeah, YouTube shorts.
Oh yeah.
And that's what he was scrolling through. So I think there's plenty access. Yes, I will not say there's internet literacy, but access, that's penetrating pretty much everywhere.
The noise tends to take over more than the signal, right? Whatever actually adds value, because we have seen, the clickbait and the whatever people, put out of rage, that gets more traction out of somebody talking calmly and actually giving a balanced perspective.
Humans are more attracted towards unstable
Exactly.
content.
And I think it's a lot to do with our physiology, the way we have evolved, right? A human brain responds 10x higher to a danger as compared to, let's say, something that is, normal BAU. So for example, losing 100 rupees is far worse for you than gaining 100 rupees. The amount of pain that you feel.
Buying a television does not make as much of an interesting video as breaking
a
flat
television.
Screen.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
What do you think about privacy and anonymity? Should we be... What do you think about privacy in general?
See, I think like democracy, privacy is a myth.
Yeah.
Anything that you do, like right now, if I just say the word, let's say whatever, right? Let's say coffee. I'll start getting 10 ads of coffees, right? I take a loan and then 10 other banks start calling me. So there's nothing called privacy. Everything is up for sale. I myself work in the e-commerce domain. I know how data works.
Yeah.
See, in fact, today only there's something that came up. I got a mail from OpenAI that there's a data breach that has happened and we apologize for it. I might sound paranoid, but it could very well be, that OpenAI or themselves orchestrated it so that they could use your data from the backend and still blame it on some third party, that they stole it.
Again, who is monitoring those regulations, and by the time you react to those regulations, it's going to be some time. But again, artificial intelligence is the way forward as things evolve, as breaches happen. There will be security, more security.
So you think it's going to be more regulated in the future?
Yes, it should be.
Do you think that would somehow limit the level of free speech we already have on the internet? Do you think people would be more
I don't think there is
scared to
free-
speak their mind if they're just ID'd for everything they put on the internet, like the digital footprint thing?
See, first of all, the fear that we are referring to is not on the internet. The fear is in the human being. As a news reporter, you can still report all the news transparently if you want to. But can you do it really? If you can't do it in print media, how do you expect that you can do it on social media or even on internet?
I think everyone who does have access to the internet should have limited access to the internet. Your entire life does not have to be up there.
Maybe it shouldn't be as cheap as it is now. It's abundantly available.
No, I would not say that monetizing anything is a great idea. That leads to another bucket of negatives. That's not what I'm saying. But I would say it should just be limited. I mean, we've had internet before also. It is, I feel people are also starting to really compare their lives with people living off internet, but what is happening in the world.
Gossip.
And just okay, forget random reels. The friend list you have, if most of them are traveling, you're first, and you are sitting at work, like that happens a lot with me. At least when I was on Instagram, and my first would be like, everyone's roaming around, why is this not? Everyone is getting married, why is this not?
Things are not
And
special
it's not
anymore.
something you really want. It's just at that moment
idea that is
the
being fed to
idea
you.
is, yeah, exactly, the idea is being fed to you, and you're like, okay, I could have been in that place.
I really don't mind it. I think it connects people. It has a lot of scope in getting everyone together. You stay entertained all the time, so I think it's a great thing to be on.
Engaged
All the time. I think you spend at least 30% of your day on the internet.
What do you think is entertainment versus engagement?
Entertainment versus engagement. If you remember something, if something memorable, I think that's entertainment. But engagement, I would still count as views. I think I'm talking purely on the Instagram language here. But if you take
Outside?
Generally. Again, if I have a story to tell that it's entertainment for me, then I will remember. I'll retain it much more. But if it's something that it's just something in the passing, then I would call it engagement.
Do you think नहीं मेरे पास
See, this could be entertainment.
Yeah, this is actually very entertaining. अगर इधर आओ अगर आप अभी परेशान नहीं करोगे तो मैं चॉकलेट लेके आया हूँ, मैं चॉकलेट दूंगा, मेरे पास गाड़ी में चॉकलेट, तब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। मोमोज नहीं दिला
शोरमा खिलाना मेरे को, तो मेरे को शोरमा खिला दो भैया, परेशान मत करो, साइड में आ जाओ। हाँ भैया बस
रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद, ठीक है।